Understanding gift voucher policies. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the world of gift vouchers. Whether you're giving one or receiving one, it's important to understand the policies that govern their use. By the end of this video, you'll be more confident in navigating the ins and outs of gift voucher policies. Let's get started. A gift voucher is essentially a prepaid token or certificate that you can use as money to purchase goods or services from a specific store or company. It's a popular gift choice because it allows the recipient to choose what they truly want. However, unlike cash, a gift voucher comes with certain terms and conditions that you need to be aware of. Gift voucher policies can vary greatly depending on the store, the value of the voucher, and even the country. However, there are some common aspects you should be familiar with. Expiration date. Most vouchers have an expiration date by which you need to use them. It's crucial to check this date to ensure you don't miss out on using your voucher. Restrictions. Some vouchers may have restrictions on what items they can be used for. For example, a voucher for a bookstore might not be applicable for purchasing electronics. Partial use and balance. It's important to know whether you can use part of the voucher and save the rest for later, or if you need to use it all in one go. Similarly, understanding how to check the remaining balance can save you from any surprises at the checkout. Transferability. Can the voucher be given to someone else if you don't want to use it? Some policies allow this, while others don't. Refunds and returns. If you purchase something with a gift voucher and then return the item, how will you be refunded? Will you get a new voucher, store credit, or nothing at all? To fully benefit from your gift voucher, consider the following tips. Plan your purchase. Think about what you want to buy beforehand to ensure you use the voucher effectively. Keep track of the expiration date. Mark the date in your calendar as a reminder to use your voucher before it expires. Understand the terms and conditions. Always read the fine print to avoid any disappointments at the store. Gift vouchers are a fantastic way to give and receive gifts, but being aware of their policies is key to making the most out of them. We hope this video has shed some light on how to navigate gift voucher policies and that you feel more prepared to use your vouchers wisely. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.